Congratulations, Anna. Aniya, congratulations. Anna.
Almost done. Is it one level?
Yes.
Okay. To lead it, and I'm very happy to be fitting that choice. And I would like to thank Narendra Modi ji for entrusting me with this huge responsibility. And also I would like to thank my people of Srikakulam and Andhra people who have made me as an MP for the third time. And it was only with their blessings that I sit here. And I would also like to remember my father, who was also a politician from Andhra Pradesh, who has served as a union minister, Mr. Eran Naidu. He has passed away in an unfortunate accident, but he has been showing his blessings from the heavens, so I'd like to remember him again. So with all their blessings, I've taken a very important step in my life, in my political career, of becoming a cabinet minister and becoming a minister of civil aviation. And my only priority is that I have to do full justice for this responsibility of taking this up. And one of the most important priority for me is to create ease of flying scenario in the civil aviation, as the civil aviation travel, air travel is becoming more and more approachable to the common man. And that has always been the motto of this government, that the whatever benefits that the government is providing, that has to reach to the last mile. It has to have the last mile connectivity. It has to reach the poorest of the poor man. And definitely in our agenda, we will make civil aviation or the air travel in this country more approachable to the common man of this country, and more easily accessible, and that will be one of the priorities. So I'm stressing the word ease of flying. Let it be in the sense of the comfort or the convenience or the safety, security, whatever aspects it comes regarding the passenger that is choosing air travel. We would make him the core of whatever planning or thought process we are going through today. And in that sense, I would like to prepare a 100-day action plan for my ministry also, which is also a wonderful suggestion from our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He has a grand vision for India, and we also have a vision for our civil aviation department, and we are going to create a 100-day plan. And from that 100-day plan, we are going to make it implement